Dusty's hardly said anything.
I'm looking at the file again. Something in here holds the answer.
Maybe you just need an outside perspective. Why don't you tell me what happened that night?
Was scared crack
Was a routine arrest.
on those
The
highlights.
CIA gave us a tip about the drugs and the guns.
Exactly color. Oh my god. Oh!